Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO MrBeast. Firstly, you'll want some plain dark blue legs. The torso comes from this surfer dude. The arms I used come from Ethan Hunt. The hands and the head come from Tony Stark. Finally, you'll want some dark brown hair. Building it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks like this, so feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm quite happy with how this minifigure has turned out, and I hope everybody else is as well. If you have any ideas, feel free to let me know and I will add them to the list. If you're not subscribed, I would also recommend you do that before the end of this video. Another video I would recommend is how to make a LEGO Republic Studs minifigure, so I will put that on the end screen now for you.